I was sent this red light therapy lamp and want to show you how I've been using it in my daily routine. It plugs into a standard outlet so I can set it up anywhere. After a workout, I like positioning it toward my legs or back. The red and infrared wavelengths are designed to support circulation and help my muscles feel more relaxed. The adjustable stand and 360-degree rotating panel make it easy to use in any position. I can angle it toward different areas depending on what I want to focus on. I like angling it toward my shoulders while I'm working at my desk or toward my legs when I'm relaxing later in the day. It fits easily into my routine no matter where I'm sitting. It has 5 intensity levels and multiple modes, including a low flicker option designed for users who are more sensitive to heat or brightness. It comes with protective goggles, which I always use when I'm working on my face. I use it for short daily sessions, focusing on one area at a time. If you've been wanting a red light therapy setup that's easy to use, adjustable, and fits into your different parts of your day, this one is definitely worth checking out.